hano Lina Mushte Scott batwarana ambulance bakorana amuzana ku muhaka wiwe mane nge na Scott twahuriye muri korari turirimba yitwa ndese babuze izina ryera.
So are you showing me this message?
Waraza kunyereka message bakwereje se.
You just need the number?
I need
ndache kukeneye nimero yonyine.
The full XML file.
Urumva nyene cyitwa XML file
to narrow down the network.
Kugira ndebe iyo XL file inyereka iyo nimero yakwandikiye yakoresheje iyo yakoresheje network ni Beriteri ni MTN na Airtel ni Mango kugira menye uwakwandikiye yakoresheje iyo network.
Once again access to the database.
Kuko nibyo bimfasha kuba nako accessinga database.
It's easy.
Nibwo byakoro uramize message zana hano ha kumwa message harimo no kubona video na mushuti we bitume amenya ibya video nta yandi mahitamo mfite akira aya barigare kumbe naka video nta kizere nagwa gusa
be a day or so
ushaka umunsi cyangwa masaha make yandi.
I'll take my chances.
Let's talk payment.
Then
I get to work.
I don't have a lot of cash.
I don't need money.
What then?
You're an Ambo. Fully stocked.
She's not giving you fentanyl, dude.
Ariko iyo miti uyiteye uri muzima ujya igifuri bimeze nk'urumogi arashaka fentanyl ngwe fentanyl bihwaniremo sasa umukobwa agomba kujya kwiba imiti ye kwa muganga.
He's not asking for that much.
Neza reka atakeneye imiti myinshi.
I don't really have a choice, Scotty.
Namahita mufite mwana wese nabigenza mwana buri ambulance ibifite imiti baba yandiki ubwo ashaka buri imiti uyiba mu zindi ambulance kuko hari imiti twandikiwe mu gihe nta muntu wakomeretse ntabwo bavuga ngo hari inkomere wateye imiti kandi nta muntu wateye imiti imiti ugombe uyibe mu yindi ambulance. Umugabo naba hakora hakuno sasa umugabo akora muri za kizimya mwoto umugore akora muri ambulance. Uyu mugabo yatoraguye urufunguzo mu myenda y'umugore uru rufunguzo n'urwande